Thousands of people are winning sport betting every day, raking in millions of dollars globally. And 10,000 more are also losing in sport betting every day. So the choice is yours. In this channel, we have shared tutorial video on how to predict football matches. So it's either you go to our channel and watch all those videos and know how to predict football matches on your own, or you can join our VIP platform where we share 5 to 20 odds on daily basis and become one of these winners. So tomorrow you can be among these winners or you be among the losers. The video playing are people that have won bet today in a particular bookmaker. So decide to be among the winners or just stay behind and watch other people winning. So guys, always bet responsibly. In this channel, we have done tutorial video on how to predict football straight win, how to predict time draw in football, how to predict halftime draw, how to predict under and over market, and also how to predict halftime full-time market. So if you have any topic that you want us to cover on our tutorial videos, kindly share it in the comment section. And also we share mega odds during weekends from 50 to 200 odds on weekends, so you can decide to join our VIP and get those good odds. Okay guys, these are the winners I have said before. You've seen people have won 200,000, 36,000, 647, 36,000, 888, and 313,515 naira. So many others. There are 1,000 more that have won bet today. So decide to be among these winners tomorrow by doing those two things I've told you. One, going through this channel and watch all those tutorial videos so that you'll be able to predict football matches on your own. Or two, you can decide to take the easy path by joining our VIP platform where we give you sure predictions on daily basis. Today we posted a free prediction 7 odds, and Djibouti decided to spoil that very game for us. We posted a total of 4 matches and 3 of them won. Only Djibouti that decided to spoil it, and they won at first half 1-0, and then the second half they decided the away team, being Djibouti, scored them 3-0, and the game in 1-3 in favor of the away team. So guys, always remember to bet responsibly.